Hey, what's up everybody? It's AG Doll Forever 1313 and I'm gonna do an update of things. Yeah. So here's Sonali in the petal hoodie outfit. Isn't she looking pretty? Yeah, so look at her little pigtails. Yeah. And little braid right here. It's really cute. And today I just want to show you that things that my grandma made, my grandma's friend made for my dolls. And so here it is. Here's a nice warm robe. It does fit the American Girl dolls. And yeah, here's a nice warm robe that is very pretty and cute. And it comes with a little string to go around it. It is so adorable. See? Um, Here is some pants that she ever made. Pajama pants. So pretty. With the pajama shirt. That is so gorgeous. I love it too much. Like this. And it comes with a little bow up here. I think it's so cute. And it does fit the American Girl dolls. As you seen in my previous video, Sonali was wearing this. And I think this is the most gorgeous jacket and sleeves and everything set I ever seen before for American Girl. I think they should make a whole bunch of this for all the American Girl dolls. Here it is. Just need the other glove. I can't find it. Oh. Alright. This looks like one of Rebecca's coats, but it's not. Alright, so here's the coat. Oh, here's the other coat. Oh. Here's the little jacket. Here's the little jacket, and it does fit American Girl dolls. It's so precious and cute. And here is the little continuum that goes around the jacket. Like this. It adds a little style to it, fashion. Here are the little precious gloves that do fit American Girl dolls. They do fit it, actually. Yeah, they do. And I just love it, how it feels and stuff. And it's like a nice wool. And here is the little hat. I just think this is so adorable. Like, oh my gosh. Here it looks like, so, see, I think it's so gorgeous. I mean, it's so cute. So you can put that. It's so cute. Alright, so that was the hat and the coat set jacket. Now I'm going to show you these. This is so gorgeous. I know it does fit in there. Oh, so I won't keep repeating myself or using repetition. I'm going to tell you that all these clothes that they made fits all 18-inch American Girls. Right, so here's a little nightgown dress. It has a whole bunch of peace signs on it. Peace. And it has a little pink bow right here that's so gorgeous and cute. Here's the little nightgown dress. I think they should make this for American Girl dolls. Nightgown dress. And here, I think these are so cute, like adorable. Here is the little shoes for the little dress. And these do fit American Girl dolls. Here is the little shoes with the little bow and a peace sign, or not a peace. Oh, well, yeah, a little peace sign right there inside the shoe. And it does fit American Girl dolls. It might not look like it, and it may look like a baby booty, but it's not. It's just it fits American Girl dolls. Put the dress in here as well. And I want to show you. This is so adorable. Like, I cannot, regret it. Here is the little pink skirt, red skirt that is made. It's like a business skirt. like girl American Girl dolls at work. It's so adorable with a nice fancy blouse, and that's it. And I think this is so adorable. Nice fancy vest that goes with the little skirt. I think they should make all these outfits for American Girl dolls. I mean, it's so cute. And you already know this is the Meet Me outfit, Sonali's Meet outfit. Yeah, so that was just an update of what. Oh, and I forgot this comes with it too. I think this comes with a coat. I don't know. And she made this too. It's a little American Girl doll hanger. It's so cute, and you can hang something on here as well as right here. And it's just so adorable. It's for the vest. See? Oh no. Oh yes, it is. Just think it's so adorable. Anywho, so yeah, I'm not gonna do the Sonali's hairstyle right now, but I'm gonna do it in the next video, which is gonna be uploaded in 5 minutes. So bye, peace, love, and subscribe this video, please. Thanks.